Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, where we show you the newest and most creative ways to make money online. Today, we will show you how to make $91 just by watching YouTube videos. You did hear that correctly. You can make money by simply watching YouTube videos. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can you make money by just watching YouTube videos? Well, the truth is that there are a lot of companies that will pay you for your time and attention. They want you to watch their ads and will pay you to do so. Before we further proceed, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you go and also like the video. I did a lot of research to find the best ones and put together a list for you along with how they work. Some of them pay with gift cards, but many others pay cash straight to your PayPal account. This means you can use PayPal to make money. So here are the 4 best sites and programs that really pay people to watch online videos. Number 1. Inbox Dollars. The main way to make money with inbox dollars, as the name suggests, is to read the emails they send to your inbox, but you can also get paid every day to watch videos through them. They're also one of the oldest companies in the business, and people who sign up and do the tasks they give really do get paid. Other ways to make money with the inbox dollars are to fill out relevant surveys, play online games, do online searches, etc. Number 2. My Points. This is another good website that pays you to take surveys and watch videos. With My Points, you get paid to watch certain videos, earn points, and can later use those points to buy gift cards. You can earn up to 500 points just by watching videos every day. Yes, you can choose to only watch videos that are fun and not boring or annoying. With My Points, you can get paid to shop, play games, and even read emails. You can also get paid to watch videos. Since 1996, they have been in business. Most of the time, that's a good sign of how trustworthy they are. Number 3. Earning Station. People can also get paid to watch videos on this site. You get points for watching videos and doing other things like shopping online, filling out surveys, playing games, etc. This website is very picky about where its members come from, so if you are not from the United States, you might not be allowed to join. In fact, if you are not from one of the countries they allow, especially the United States, you might not even be able to get on their website. Number 4. Perk. This is another site you might want to check out if you want to get paid to watch short videos. Yes, when you use Perk, you don't have to watch long or boring videos. When you watch short videos, you get points, which you can later turn into gift cards, merchandise, or cash. Making money by watching YouTube videos is a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. It's a simple and easy process, and it doesn't require any special skills or expertise. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for one of these websites and start earning money today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Also make sure to subscribe and like this video.